Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to do tomato sauce easily. First, choose the best tomatoes you can find. San Marzano or Roma varieties work wonderfully. You'll also need good quality olive oil, fresh garlic, and basil. Begin by washing your tomatoes well and removing the cores. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious sauce that tastes homemade and fresh, perfect for any meal. Once your garlic is golden in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add your prepared tomatoes to the pot. Bring everything to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This slow simmering allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and robust sauce that's far superior to anything from a can. Now it's time to season your sauce to perfection. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. In the final 5 minutes of cooking, stir in a generous amount of fresh basil leaves. If you prefer a smoother sauce, an immersion blender works wonders. Otherwise, a rustic, chunky texture is also delightful and full of character. Your homemade tomato sauce is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it generously over your favorite pasta, perhaps with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or frozen for longer enjoyment. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. This easy recipe will become a staple in your kitchen, bringing delicious, fresh flavor to countless meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.